Statistics and Probability, Unit 3 Normal Distribution, Lesson 1 Normal Random Variable. Why is the normal distribution essential in learning statistics? Before we find the answer to this question, let's first understand what a normal random variable is. A normal random variable is a continuous random variable of a normal distribution. If you are wondering what a normal distribution is, a normal distribution is a continuous probability distribution where most of the scores tend to be closer to the mean. To further visualize, this is the graph of a normal distribution, or what we call as the normal curve. Under a normal curve, we can find that the mean is always in the middle. The most common type of a normal curve is the standard normal distribution. A standard normal distribution is a type of a normal curve wherein the mean is exactly 0 and the standard deviation is exactly 1. In the graph, the area between 0 and 1 is represented by mu plus sigma. This means that the score is one standard deviation above the mean. When we say above, that means to the right of the mean. In the graph, we can also see that the area between 0 and 2 is represented by mu plus 2 standard deviation, or mu plus 2 sigma. This means that the score is 2 standard deviation above the mean. When we say above, again, that means to the right of the mean. We can also see from the graph that the area between 0 and 3 is represented by mu plus 3 standard deviation, or mu plus 3 sigma. This means that the score are 3 standard deviations above the mean, or 3 standard deviations to the right of the mean. This holds true as well to the left of the mean, wherein the area between 0 and negative 1 is represented by mu minus sigma. This means that the score is one standard deviation below the mean. When we say below, that means to the left of the mean. We can also say that the area between 0 and negative 2 is represented by mu minus 2 sigma. This means that the score are 2 standard deviations below the mean, or 2 standard deviations to the left of the mean. And lastly, the area between 0 and negative 3 is represented by mu minus 3 sigma. This means that the score are 3 standard deviations below the mean, or 3 standard deviations to the left of the mean. Now let's take a look at an example of a standard normal distribution. Let's say that in a given, the mean is 35 and the standard deviation is 5. What is the score? Letter A, 2 standard deviations above the mean or to the right of the mean. And letter B, what is the score? 1 standard deviation below the mean or to the left of the mean. Let's look at the first question. Since this is a 2 standard deviation above the mean, we'll be having the mean plus 2 times standard deviation. We'll just be substituting the given values here. Mu will be 35 plus 2 times standard deviation of 5. That will be 35 plus 10, and that is equal to 45. This means that the score 2 standard deviations above the mean is 45. Now let us solve for the score 1 standard deviation below the mean. We're going to have mean minus sigma. Substituting the values, we will be having 35 minus 5, and that is simply equal to 30, which means that the score 1 standard deviation below or to the left of the mean is 30.